discover new asteroids every day. Learn more. Come help us discover new asteroids. The Catalina Sky Survey is a NASA-funded project dedicated to discovering and tracking near-Earth asteroids. Since 1998, we have discovered thousands of near-Earth asteroids and many main belt asteroids. I guess the main belt being the asteroid belt. We collect an enormous volume of image data. Although we have state-of-the-art cameras, detection software and a small team of full-time professional observers, we lack the capacity to identify and verify all objects of interest. We need your help. Join us to find the unreported main belt and near-Earth asteroids that slip through the digital cracks of our detection system. Our project invites you to look through our nightly archival images and scan them for possible new asteroids. Actual new small worlds within our solar system. Yeah, I guess you can call an asteroid world if you want to. Okay, I'd say, let's go back then and maybe just start looking for asteroids. Welcome to the Daily Minor Planet. We hope you have a blast discovering new asteroids like the one above. We use the apparent movement of asteroids from image to find them. So if you don't see movement, hit the play button on the bottom left of the subject image to start the show. If you see an object moving along with the green circle like the one above, that's a real asteroid. Hit the yes button and move on to the next object. Okay, so I guess we get a green circle, and if there is an asteroid moving in it, then, well, we should be able to see that. Next. Looking for moving objects in the animated images. Find the green circle in the subject clip. Within the green circle is one object, light spot, that moves from frame to frame. We call this light spot inside the green circle a detection. Our software picks out lots of detections. Some are asteroids like this one, but others are just stars that don't change position between images. And some are artifacts like the bright cosmic ray streak that shows up in the left side of the bottom edge. Oh yeah, I guess you can see it here. If you need, you can pause the animation and zoom into individual detection. Zoom into individual detection in individual frames in the subject. Okay. Let me take off my watch. It makes too much noise. Okay, I've taken enough. Not all real objects or asteroids are as clear as the last one. This example is also not a real asteroid, but it is much dimmer. Oh yes, I can see it. Note that the object appears to have smooth motion and is not changing its brightness or appearance much between frames. Also note that there is no background. deciding, as you will not be able to change your decision once it is made. Remember, you can pause the animation and zoom into individual detection in individual frame in the subject to see things more clearly. If you are not sure that you are seeing a lit object moving across the frames, please mark the object No. Let's check out an example where some background stars might be mistaken for real moving asteroids. Notice that the detection indicated by the green circle furthest top. I'm sorry, I'm just looking at the picture and trying to read the text at the same time. Okay, notice that the detection indicated by the green circle furthest to the top can still be seen in each image, not only inside the green circle. This is because it is a background star and it's not moving with the green circle. Yes, so we can see that here a circle is moving, but there's actually nothing inside it moving with the circle, so I think to me this seems pretty clear. They are not all obvious though. Here's another example of a background star impersonating a real moving asteroid. Can you see it in the first detection from the bottom right? Yeah, I also can see that there is not really anything moving with the green circle, and I guess that's the key thing. This is a hard one, okay. The detection appears to be similar in each image. It appears to be moving in a smooth linear fashion. Look closely at the places where the green circle appears. Can you see that two detections, the spot? Do they have a typo in here? The spot of light in the middle of the green circle are also present in the same spot when the green circle is not around them. Yeah, I can see there is a spot that is just here even after the circle has moved on. So I guess that's not an asteroid then. Okay, this is it. The most important type of object we are looking for. Notice that it is not getting brighter or dimmer between frames. Appears to have smooth motion. The light spot in the green circles, the detection, is only present when the green circle is present, meaning there is no background star in any position where the object moves to. This object is also streaked along its direction of motion. All of these together mean this is a near-Earth asteroid. You can tell the difference between a NEA, which I guess means near-Earth asteroid, and a main belt asteroid because NEAs move much faster. Hit yes and celebrate for finding one of our closest neighbors. To help you train your eye, we mix in subjects with known asteroids with the subjects that need to be examined. We do this to give you examples of what real asteroids can look like, and as a check to see how effective you are at identifying real asteroids. Yeah, probably more as a check to see how effective I am at identifying real asteroids. If you're curious to know if you found a new or known asteroid, once you make testing me. So can you see this streak appearing here? But what do we have moving? Is there something moving with the green circle? I would actually say no, but it's a bit hard to tell, but I think they said when in doubt, then it's no. Okay, this is funny because I mean, is it supposed to move up here and then just stay there? I don't think an asteroid would move like that, so I would say no. Okay, and this also doesn't really seem to be a real moving object, because I can't really see anything when it's up here. And I also can't really tell whether there's an object moving with the circle or not, so I would say no. I can't see anything moving here, let's say no. Oh, this one is kind of interesting because I can see something moving, but I mean it's moving really slowly, isn't it? And it's also fading, and I think it said in the tutorial that the brightness isn't supposed to change. So I would say, even though this looks interesting, this isn't a real okay, a real object. Yeah. Do you think we will find one eventually? Because I'm afraid most of the videos aren't of real asteroids. What about this one? I mean, something is here, but also this kind of stays here even after the circle has moved on, and then it disappears again too, but I can't make out any moving object. Here something appears, but it also disappears again, and then up here the green circle encircles basically nothing, so even if it was something, it isn't supposed to change its brightness, so no. say we have a real object here. Yes. Correct. This is a known object, so they were testing me again. Okay, what about this one? There's kind of something here, but then it kind of also disappears again. And I would go back to that rule about not changing its brightness. And this one is changing its brightness too much, so no. Okay, here we have a really big star, but I can't see any moving object, because also that one point it stays there even after the circle has moved on, so I'd say no. Oh, this almost seems like we have something, but I think it's also a no. Okay, and here again, I mean, I can see a point appear on the last frame, and on the first actually too, but also what about the brightness changing stuff? I cannot see anything in between, so I would say no. Yeah, I can see nothing here either. This is somehow changing in an interesting manner, and I can see points appear, but yeah, I guess one of the points still stays there after the circle has moved on, but then again a new point seems to appear as well. But I'd say this is a no. Okay, I can't see anything moving with the circle here. Oh wow, this one I can see something moving, but it changes its brightness. Oh no, I'm not sure. I wanna say yes, but look at the change in brightness. Should I say no? Yeah, let's see, maybe they are testing me again. Oh wow. Almost the same. Yeah, but this one is moving, right? I would say it's almost the same. Let's give one yes and one no. Oh, correct, they were testing me again. Okay, can't see anything here. Oh, this one is moving. It's also changing brightness, but this one is moving. Oh, they were testing me again. Okay, when can I actually discover a new one? Yeah, here I can't see anything moving with the circle. Oh, and they were testing me again. I don't know. I feel watched, and I mean not by you. Here is kind of something, but it's also not there in the first frame, and it kind of stays. So no. Oh wow, this almost looks like we have a moving object, but only in 2 of the 4 frames, so I have to say no. Okay, this is a very bad detection. I mean, what was the computer who's doing the detection thinking? I mean, this is a no, right? test here. I'm not helping anyone. I'm not helping at all. Here I see a moving object again, and it's also a known one, and they were testing me again. This one is nothing in my opinion. Neither is this. Oh, and this one is clearly moving even if it's missing in the first frame. But after that it's really clear. And what do you know? They were testing me again. Yeah, this one is also, I'm starting to ignore that brightness rule because look at this, we have something moving, even if it's changing brightness, and I'm not gonna say anything about they testing me again. I can't see anything here except maybe for the flash of a warp bubble of a faster than light spaceship, but we're not looking for this, right? But I can't see any asteroid. Yeah, nothing here. I feel right. I just wanted to say, I feel like I've seen this before, but now it says you've already seen this subject. Why am I seeing this? You've already seen and classified this subject, so further classifications won't contribute to its analysis. I can't talk anymore. If you're looking to help, try choosing a different workflow or contributing to a different project. What does this mean? Have I failed the test? Do they want me to work on something else instead? They don't want me to keep working on the daily minor planet. I must have failed the test, right? What's this? Be sure to fill out the form here. Yeah, no need for that. Please sign in. No need for that. So are you saying I can't contribute any more to this project? Okay, let's just move on and try it. Okay, correct. This is not a real asteroid. Yeah, thank you. Okay. I hope I'm getting new footage now, new frames. I can't see any object. Oh, I can't see nothing here. I can't even talk. I can't see nothing. What is that? That's wrong. I can't see anything I wanted to say. Yeah, it's circling. That streak up there, that's already there. Oh wow, what's this? Some big object falling into a big star, right? It must be that. But actually I don't really see an object, so no. What do we have here? No moving object in my opinion. Almost, but not really. Yeah, it's not counting if you're just going to circle that huge white blob. I'm sorry if you can hear my stomach in between. I think I should soon go and eat something. Yeah, This one is interesting because we have something here and then it disappeared, and then it's circling an existing star. So I guess that doesn't count after all. So no asteroid here. No asteroid here. I'm a bit disappointed because all the objects we've seen were the already known ones, and we haven't really discovered anything new. Nothing here. This one is interesting even though it's not